Are you a young software engineer looking to succeed in your career? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the key steps you need to take to succeed as a young software engineer. The first step to success is building a strong foundation. This means acquiring the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in your field. To do this, you should focus on obtaining a solid education in computer science or a related field. This will provide you with a strong foundation in programming languages, algorithms, data structures, and other essential concepts. In addition to formal education, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the industry. Attend conferences, read industry publications, and participate in online forums to stay informed and connected. Another important aspect of building a strong foundation is gaining practical experience. Seek out internships, co-op programs, or entry-level positions to gain hands-on experience in software development. This will help you build your skills and develop a portfolio of work that you can showcase to potential employers. Finally, don't forget to build your network. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other software engineers on social media. Building a strong network can help you stay informed about job opportunities, gain valuable insights from experienced professionals, and even find mentors who can guide you in your career. By focusing on building a strong foundation, you'll be well on your way to success as a young software engineer. Now that you've built a strong foundation, it's time to focus on developing your skills as a software engineer. This means honing your technical skills, as well as developing soft skills that will help you succeed in your career. To develop your technical skills, consider taking online courses or attending workshops to learn new programming languages, frameworks, or tools. You can also work on personal projects or contribute to open source projects to gain experience and improve your skills. Soft skills are equally important for success as a software engineer. These include communication, teamwork, problem solving, and time management. To develop these skills, seek out opportunities to work on team projects, participate in hackathons or coding competitions, and practice presenting your work to others. Another important aspect of skill development is mentorship. Seek out experienced software engineers who can provide guidance and advice as you navigate your career. You can also consider joining a mentorship program or seeking out a mentor through professional organizations. Remember, skill development is an ongoing process. Continuously seek out opportunities to learn and grow as a software engineer, and you'll be well on your way to success. As a young software engineer, navigating your career can be challenging. Here are some tips to help you succeed. 1. Set goals. Define your career goals and create a plan to achieve them. This will help you stay focused and motivated as you navigate your career. 2. Seek out feedback. Regularly seek out feedback from your peers, mentors, and managers. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to your career plan as needed. 3. Build your brand. Develop a strong personal brand by creating a portfolio of your work, contributing to open source projects, and building a strong online presence. This will help you stand out to potential employers and advance your career. 4. Network. Continue to build your network by attending industry events, participating in online forums, and connecting with other software engineers. This will help you stay informed about job opportunities and gain valuable insights from experienced professionals. 5. Embrace challenges. Don't be afraid to take on challenging projects or roles. Embracing challenges will help you grow as a software engineer and demonstrate your value to potential employers. Remember, success as a software engineer is not just about technical skills. It's also about building relationships, developing your personal brand, and navigating your career with intention and purpose.